tired of something real, but somehow I lost you on the way. I assumed you left me behind. Lifeless days and sleepless nights, so tired of it. I can't get you off my mind, can't forget it. Now I know what I've got to do is find my way back to you. Hey, oh, why did it take us so long? Hey, oh, while I was dancing on my own. Hey, oh, and now my prayers been answered in my darkest time, 'cause now I found you. Ding, here you come. Makalingaw. Focus! Oh! Focus ba? Focus! Oh, Nico. Oh, kudakiro focus. Oh, focus na. Oh, parang nangudak na. Oh, dadi matabang. Oh, Mayor! Focus, Mayor! Bajan tabs di. Oh, focus ba? Ana, mga ginakaduhaon, mga focus. Oh, focus. Oh, focus na. Oh, na focus. Oh, oh, focus. Oh, laspag na kay focus. Oh, focus. Focus basan ka di ay. I-focus dito na. I-focus. Oh, focus. Oh. Oo, focus ba? Oo, focus na. Sana tog mo di ay. Ana man ang focus. Apil po na nag-video sa focus. Focus ba? Focus. Napamaagi na. Focus ba? Saan mo di ay? Ana na, basta focus. Kauhaw yun.
Saan mag-inom dul?
Hooker is sweet. Biki naman!
Saan mag-inom dul?
Coca-Cola. Biki naman. Ano sa'yo mag-haplas dul?
Kasi ito oil.
Biki naman.
Don't make me lose my mind. Up in here, up.
Chain cutter, mga allen wala. Ana rin da. Si Kuan si Negro no? Wa pa sila eh. Prayer na lang ta bro, hinay ta. I think it's 3:30 AM. It's early in the morning. Perfectly out by Jano Chavez. Oh no, it's rough road. I'm sorry. The quality has been broken. A great spin by Uncle Who, the very young man of our group. Kusugas trangkoy. Sikat yun Tatay Janos. Tatay Janos. Sikat Tatay Janos. Yo. Tatay Janos naman yo. Currently we are in Karkar, the Queen City of the South. So shout out this Lasag Boy, Noah's Bike Shop, Kid Rock Tattoo, Rafi's Noodles, Jason Satu, Kuya James Satu, and more. Shout out po sa among kagrupo nga si Doeng o si Janjan nga nalas balay. Stay safe mga idol. So, Karkar. Dalira kayo. I think it's 5 already. O sige, musulti niyo mo, Franz.
Musulti na ako. Pagdali, ano mo, apas mo dali dire.
Kuruk-kuruk na lagi na yung kamot, Franz.
Kamot. Kung gusto na, ginapos lang kanina.
Nagkuruk-kuruk ang kamot.
Ba't, malay po?
Uy, saan naman ka, boy?
Grabe ka na siya magsubuang eh.
Uy, saan ka, boy?
Ay, maganda ba ito?
Tinong-tingog, jeep, boy.
First time
Okay,
out, guys.
okay, from Sibunga going to Dalaget.
Guys,
So for now, we're trying to see Kid Rock Chavez. Nagikan sa Argao. Mukuyog pa dong Dalagit. Hopefully nga i-treat me niya of food. Shout out eh, kuan, ate mo. Erita na ako ng YouTube ah.
Shout out kong papa.
Shout out kong papa, patay. Call. Layo kay guys, Jepoy call. Jera, musta ba ka dyan, Jera? Bantay lang sa Karawas, Jera. Yes. From Argao City.
Saging! Ba!
Peter Saging.
Matabang! Peter Saging is back!
Argao. Blasyan eh, pablasyan. Morning! Taple lang. May mga skin na. Hi! Yes. Welcome to Dalagit City. Yawa! Okay. Yes! Gabay na lang.
I will survive!
Peter Sagan.
Survive!
Survive. Dalagit. Rafi.
Yuhu! Kami! Yuhu! Hindi lang kamali!
Dara. Hmm? Shit! Daog. Laspag. Layo siya pero traffic. Kasi wala loyo. We will stay there guys sa Nadalmar Hotel and Resort. So currently, bibiyaan ko. But now, trahin ako gapas. Pero okay ra. Nadalmar Hotel ah. Para sikat nga ko na resort. Thank you, Master. Thank you, Master. Thank you, Master, for the meeting. Nagtungas na mga hangul. Hangul ug tungason. Tuwan na. Tungas na. Na, kamang nas Peter Saging. Imbis di comeback as Peter Saging, retire ni ron. Kaya mukat.
Kaya mukat! Kaya mukat! Kaya sa buong-buong!
Kakita sa road bike sa akaw dyan eh. Uy! Uy! Tungas is waving. Surrender eh. Ato rin siya what's argo. Taho ni Manong. Naagad.
Tahu. Papawa sa laspag. Peter Saging is quitting bike.
What? What do you say?
Excellent. This is easy. Not challenging. We're going to New Zealand and Switzerland. And Iceland and Greenland. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, Konito King. No, help me.
We cannot sabay the course because it's hard for us to cycle.
We need to victory.
We need a victory.
But it's easy. Dad, help me. I'm lost fun.
I'm not schooling but I talk too much English.
I'm schooling but I'm not learning.
How's that one? Nautical.
Yes, nautical. But I'm climbing here.
And what's the course mo? Engineering. Civil engineering. And I'm from BSBS. Vulcanizing shop. Vulcanizing shop. Major.
Yo-yo.
Major.
Yo-yo. Yeah. Help me.
This is a
Hi, Kote Michelle. Michelle. Magkada ko yung Lunes.
makapaway pa ta.
Tira! 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 Go!
Pagkir ay. Nasa sila. Pag nakakalaspag maintenance na. Parang kayo upo.
Hello vlog.
Hello vlog.
Hello vlog.
I like the view.
You love the view. You're my best view.
But this is my best view.
I'm gonna stay Powell. Malaspak. Kita ko tutoy dako.
Road to heaven. Almost heaven. West Virginia. Blue is meh. Meh. Hell no. I want to granny. Anthony Steve-Roel. Spotted guys.
Patag niya lang.
Hoy! Wilson! Me! Me! Douglas!
Hey! Douglas!
Douglas! Where are you?
Douglas!
Napakumukay na ni. Kami na po ay magsakit-sakit, Christian Lim. Yo. Opo ya Roday. Grabe ka tongas guys. Ate mo may break to ni. Delikado man mo. Ikaw gan, pikoy mo til. Igda. Sako. Guys, mga panamong tungaso no. Ang ubang laspag na taas. Okay. Doong pa lang Kapoy na. Okay. Cut na ta. Bye-bye.
One, two, three, smile.
So, gusto laspag here. You know? Laspag. Kapoy ito kayo. Puro tungas Taas kay elevation. Vegetables nila.
Pachuchuy mo katil.
Dali. Hello guys. Where are we, Clan?
We're in Switzerland. The shooting of King Kong. You know King Kong, famous dinosaur.
King Kong will go from that valley there. It's so listed here. Sometimes, you know, you forgot to say Bisaya.
Motherfucking scam.
No. Disclaimer. No trash talk.
See my face? I'm so tired, man.
It's so listed here.
Jeepway is at Granny.
One. Boy.
Sige, dito itong gibyan mo na.
Bantay motor ha? Real live call? Bawi niya Clan! Bawi Clan! Ay kumpiyansa! Uy, grane! Awa. Motor. Bajan taps. Serious guys.
Nindot na may bajan taps. Picture na naman. Eng.
Look. Aw, atal tao ng bike niya down. So, guys, kuanday kanang mangyo ko nga pangitay ko ninyo bibi para nakoy pang kuan, nakoy pang bibi time. So, follow me Errol Ramos at Facebook. Then follow po ko sa Instagram errolmeow.29.
Pura lagi mga laspag. Uy, focus ba?
Focus ay. Let's go. Oh, yan na, munawag na ko. Ayan na. I need to find a girl. Bistro.
So, thank you. Nakapagpapili kami na sa sticker. Bro, balik ko ba itong sticker nila? Dili sa Patinians Coffee Shop. Oh, sus na na ito ang sticker nila. Dol, ano Dol? Nang less 10% po Dol. Less 10%. Less 10%. So, thank you kayo sa Patins, no? Sa ito ang discount na 10. Yes.
10 million.
Chill kami, chill.
Chill mo.
Chill lang ang view.
Salamat sa sponsor sa GoPro.
Basta sila reward.
Tawad man niya Dan. One. Hello. Subscribe sa among channel.
Hi. Masyay mo sa tana lang ka.
Okay ra na kay YouTube.
You know what? I so love it.
Subscribe sa among YouTube channel ah.
I-record dong ako.
I-add ko Kurt Blanco.
Dili ko dapat dili akong karang.
Ha?
Dili akong kuan.
Kurt Blanco. Add.
Ay apa do ya?
There's a friend.
Yato ba na tong kanang kuan?
Huh?
No dili.
So there's a human inside.
Picture sa gumilangga.
Smile, Lord, smile. Smile.
Kinahanglan nag-update.
1, 2, 3.
Oh my god, Ella, you're so clumsy. God, Ella, you're so clumsy.
Oh no. Okay. Kindly vlog me.
Ako yung boyfriend.
Hala, pwede ko sa doon kay Pati.
Ha?
Ay, sa doon. Putol kay babay tayo guwapa. Padulan.
Hello, my. Oy.
Hello to my vlog. Ay, ter. Huwag ni ter. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
We've lost track of time, don't know how to feel, but I'm not sorry. I'm lost in your eyes, are you even real? But don't you worry, I'm not
Free flowing coffee. Yes, free flowing. Coffee diri dol.
Mas lapis sa ako.
The best ng coffee. Kaya unlimited. Ang coffee nila 59 pesos ano?
The best coffee after the best climb. Lagi pa akong English last pa na kayo.
Na-influensyan po kami ni Christian Lim.
Punta dito. Sabi kasi ni Christian Lim, walang bikers na nakapunta dito. Pero nagawa rin namin. Galing kami sa Lapu-Lapu, hindi kami nagsasakyan ha. Bike lang kami. Ganyan talaga mga last mag boys.
Ngita.
Last mag boys lang ang malakas.
Ngita jud kontra eh.
Ano? Well, nagsulti ko nga wag kita nagsakyanan ba? Nag-mountain rin ta, mountain bike and road bike. So, thank you sa Patins coffee shop no. Sa lamiang kape ug sa choco. Hot choco lang malakas kasi hindi ako minom ng kape kasi baka manervyos ako.
Gusto din dream about dulo kay wag
Tinagalog na. May ganun ako ng English tol.
Ano din? Asa to tong English interpreter come here. Come here sir.
May
Tagalog. Yeah. Okay. Masakit yung
Sabi ko, salamat sa Patins sa masarap na hot choco at saka sa kape.
Sa in English na.
Robbie say.
Kasugod.
Kasi ito in English na to?
Hot choco.
When I see the view, grabe.
Napay masindak na view ka ani.
Asa man?
Nawala akong kakapoy.
Kanang I love you.
Asa sinusindot nga view ni Dol?
Kanang I love you.
Masag ko kalawas na to.
Pero nagani pag-abot na to bulan, nangabot na ilang papa. Layo di kuha sa. Ayo.
Mountain bike.
Okay boy.
Road bike.
Okay.
coffee shop no? Sa Lamiang Cafe o sa Chok.
Slide. Ano slide ka? Slide ka. Why, oh? Oh, skido? Pakuha ko eh. Helicopter.
We've lost track of time, don't know how to feel, but I'm not sorry. I'm lost in your eyes, are you even real? But don't you worry, I'm not looking for the one, no, I just wanna have some fun. So let's get drunk tonight, cause fuck how we feel. But for now, I won't give it all away, cause I don't think I'll stay. No, I can't be the only one who doesn't wanna fall in love. Doesn't wanna fall in love. Doesn't wanna fall in love. Doesn't wanna doesn't wanna fall in love. May not see eye to eye, but we can be chill for just this moment. So turn out the lights and let's make a deal to just enjoy it. I'm not thinking about forever. I won't care if we don't end up together. Let's get high tonight, cause fuck how we feel, yeah. But for now, I won't give it all away, cause I don't think I'll stay. No, I can't be the only one
Biyahin na San Fernando, California, USA.
Ano na ng Padrans?
We were left behind because we were weak. Good night. Good night,
guys. San Fernando,
Yeah.
USA.
USA. Fog na. On the other side. Well, now it's Minya Peak. Fog now it's Minya Peak. Oh.